Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss about a topic earned value management. Friend, this topic is very important with respect to project management, and we will see this topic in detail with respect to project management. And if you are a student and studying project management in university or planning to give exam of PMP, so this topic will be very important with respect to exam point of view. Also, if you are a professional project manager and working as a project manager in any organization, so again this topic is very important for you to understand and implement in your professional life. So friend, coming towards our main topic, earned value management. Friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Earned value management. Friend, when we talk about earned value management with respect to project management, just just see these three terms: earn value management. That means what what you are basically earning, what you are earning from something. Just see from here what you are earning. See friend, whenever we talk about earn value management, basically we are saying like we have planned something with respect to time, with respect to cost. Okay, so we are basically saying we want to see that we, for example, we have planned that we have to complete a project within 5 months with $5,000 cost. For example, you have analyzed, you have basically using the work breakdown structure, you planned that for example by end of, let's suppose, 5 months project, and by end of next month 5 tasks will be completed. Okay, 5 task cost is, for example, $1,000 cost. This is your planned. Okay, this is planned that 5 tasks will be completed and $1,000 cost work will be completed. This is your planned work. Now when we talk about earned value management, after once the project execution starts, we want to see that in actual what has happened. In actual, for example, in actual it was planned that 5 tasks will be completed, for example. So in actual what happened, like in the month, next month, is it really happened that really 5 tasks completed and $1,000 cost work happened or not? So basically you can say the earned value management is a concept that what is the planned work and what is the actual work happened in terms of time and cost. Are you getting my point? That means that you have planned that by next week you will complete 5 tasks with $1,000 cost work, and you, after once the project execution starts, and then you after analysis and in actual you realize that in actual only 3 tasks completed and $200 cost work happened. So on basis of that you can realize, you can proactively take decision that whether you are going with properly or you are going you are not going properly. Okay, so this is called the concept of proactive decision making. The management can take decision proactively that whether they are going in a right direction or not right direction. For example, if the earned value says that the actual work in terms of time and cost is not as per the planned work, so that means that senior management or project management must have to take some decisions. That means that we are not going properly. We have planned that 5 tasks should be have to be completed by next month. In actual only 2 tasks are completed. So that means that you are not going as per the schedule, or you are not getting the earned value which you have planned. So that means you have must have to take proactive decision, and so that you can achieve your targets in terms of time and cost. Are you getting my point? This is called the concept of earned value management. This is basically, it's a comparison of planned work and actual work in terms of time and cost, and this gives you the proactive, this gives you the ability of to senior management to take proactive decisions with respect to time and cost. If they are not going properly in terms of time and cost, they can take proactive decisions. Okay, so at a very prior stage, at a very early stage, you can see that okay, we are not going in the proper direction with respect to time and cost. We must have to expedite the things, because the planned work says that you have to be there at some location and you are not there. So that means you have to take some decisions. So this is called the concept of earned value management. Now, as friend, the basic concepts of earned value management are the basic principle of earned value management, that the value of the piece of work is equal to amount of funds budgeted to complete it. Same concept here, like you have planned something and the actual work should be equal to the planned work. Like you have put some budget, like for example you says that by next month $500 work should have to be completed. Now you have to, this was your planned value, planned work. Now in actual what happened? So basic concepts here, this is the three concepts are very basic concepts in earned value management. Planned value, this is the approved budget for the work scheduled to be completed by a set date. Earned value, this is the approved budgeted for the work actually completed by the specific date. Actual cost, the cost actually incurred for the work completed by the specific date. See friend, here the basic concepts of earned value management are planned value or PV, earned value or EV, or actual cost AC. Friend, here in this topic, in this video, we will see the concepts. I will try my level best to make some more videos in which we will make the we will calculate the all these values as well. So here, see, planned value means that you have planned something. You plan something that the work should be scheduled. This work should have to be completed. This is called the concept of planned value. Earned value means that how much actually work completed. Okay, something you say, for example you says that by next month 5 tasks should be completed. This is called the concept of planned value. Earned value means in actual what is happened, in actual whether 2 tasks are completed, 5 tasks are completed, 4 tasks are, in actual how much work is done. Actual cost means then in actual how much cost is incurred. For example, you plan that $500 cost should be budgeted. Okay, this is your planned cost, planned work. Now in actual how much cost incurred, like $500 cost was the plan. In actual $200 cost occur, or in actual $1000 cost occur. So in actual what has happened? Okay, so just remember one thing, that the earned value basically it's a comparison of planned and actual. You planned something and now you are saying you want to see that in actual what has happened in terms of time and cost. So this is called the basic concepts of in the earned value. There are some indicators, 4 indicators are very important: schedule variance, cost variance. Just see from here the schedule variance. Schedule variance means that you planned something with respect to schedule, how much variance occur. This is a measure of the difference between the work that was actually done against the amount of work that was planned to be done. This clearly shows if the project is on a schedule or not. Friend, SV or schedule variance, basically it gives you insight. For example, work should have to be completed in for example 4 months. So it tells you, for example, you planned that by next month you have to complete it, that these tasks, and in actual this work completed in 2 months. You planned 1 month, in actual it complete in 2 months. So there is a variance of 1 month. Are you getting my point? You have to see in actual how much variance occur with respect to schedule. Similarly, cost variance, this is the measure of the difference between the amount that was budgeted for the work mean to be done and the amount that was actually spent for the work performed. This is called as cost variance. For example, you budgeted that by next month you will spend $500. In actual you spend $600. So that means 600 minus 500, $100 variance. $100 has been more spent. Are you getting my point? What I want to say? you plan that you will spend $500 by next month. This is your planned cost, and in actual what is happened, in actual you spent $600, so 600 minus 500, so cost variance will be $100. This is called the cost variance. Schedule performance index, and this, what is this? SPI. This is the ratio between the budget that is approved for the work that is performed for the budget that is approved for the work that was performed in the first place. This is a relative measure of the project time efficiency. Friend, schedule performance index is a indicator for schedule. It tells you that it tells you the ratio. This is the ratio between the budget that is approved for the work that is performed to the budget that is approved to the work that was planned to the first place. Friend, basically it tells you that the schedule performance index tells you that planned ratio between the planned work and actual work, and it tells you that how are you going in the right direction or not in the right direction. Schedule performance index SPI is an indicator to shows the it shows the ratio between the planned work and the actual work, and it tells you that are you in the right direction or not. Similarly, cost performance index, this is the ratio between the approved budget for the work that is performed to the budget that was actually spent to the stipulated work. It is relative to measure of the cost efficiency of the project and can be used to estimate the cost of the remainder of the cost. Again friend, cost performance index CPI is a ratio between the planned cost and the actual cost, and it tells you that have you spent more cost or less cost till now. Are you getting my point? This is called the concept of CPI. CPI is a ratio between the planned cost and the actual cost, and it tells you that either you are spending more money or less money. Just friend, see here, earned value management, this is the concept that it tells you that it's a comparison between planned work and the actual work. Actual work means in terms of time and cost, and you can take proactive decisions based on the earned value management. So friend, in the next video I will try my level best to make more videos to calculate all these factors, all these indicators, so that you can use this concept in the exam. With respect to exam point of view, you will definitely see this topic in the exam, and you must have to calculate all these indicators like cost performance indicator, schedule performance indicator, variances. So I will try my level best to make more videos on these topics. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. I have tried my level best to explain you the basic concept of an earned value management. In the next videos I will try my level best to calculate all these indicators as well, that what are the formulas and how to calculate all these things. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, friends, and that's all from my side. Thank you.